everyone, I've been playing Hunting Sniper for a while and always wanted more Hunting Sniper free gems and coins. I finally found a working way to get them, and it's super easy. There's a website offering Hunting Sniper free gems links. I visited it, entered my game username, and selected how many Hunting Sniper gems and coins I wanted. The system then started generating the resources, but before finishing, it required me to complete a verification task. The task asked me to download a game and play to level 9, which was fun and quick. Depending on your location, the verification task may be different. Just follow the instructions as shown. Once I completed mine, I was verified, and the generator confirmed everything. When I logged back into Hunting Sniper, my gems and coins were there. It felt like I found a real Hunting Sniper gems glitch, but it's totally legit. So if you're tired of grinding and want Hunting Sniper free coins and gems easily, give these links a try. I highly recommend these Hunting Sniper free gems links if you're looking for a boost. They really work, and it's completely safe if you follow the instructions.